Today, we're going to get started right away in a seated position. This practice is going to help open up the upper body and the hips. So, if you're a desk worker or you're just looking for a little bit of a reset, this practice is for you. So, we'll start with bringing the right shin in front of the left, and you can bring your feet a little bit closer in towards your groin. We'll start by bringing the right fingertips to the floor, and we're going to drop the left ear to the left shoulder. And as we drop the left ear to the left shoulder, you're pushing down into your right fingertips. You can open and close the jaw. Let's gently bring the gaze all the way back upright. Bring the arms up overhead. You're going to grab a hold of the right elbow with the left hand and bring the right palm to the center or just below the nape of the neck. From here, nice tall spine, inhale, and exhale, we're going to lean back to the left. So getting the stretch in the underside of that tricep. Simply from here, release the left hand to the floor and reach your right fingertips over towards the left. And what I like to do is I push down into my left palm to help draw my right hip to the floor. Looking underneath that armpit, you can give the ceiling a thumbs up. From here, look towards your left knee. You're going to tap your right fingertips in front of your left knee. Reach, 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 reach. And back up. We'll do this about 4 more times. And on this last one, we'll hold it here for a few breaths. From here, lift the gaze, gently rise, bringing your right hand onto your left knee and your left fingertips behind you. Inhale to lengthen and exhale, look over your left shoulder. And then look over the right shoulder, maybe dropping the head back slightly. Bringing the gaze back upright. As you remove your hands, you're taking your left hand underneath the right. You're crossing them at the elbows. Inhale, lift the elbows up, gentle lean back. And exhale, round over your left knee. Swing like a pendulum over to the right knee. Inhale up. Exhale, fold over the right knee. Swing to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, fold over the left knee. Swing to the right. And inhale up. Last one, fold over the right knee. And we're just going to stay in the center here. Gently swaying side to side. Release, reaching your fingertips out in front of you, and just allow yourself to fold over that right shin. Walking yourself all the way back up. We'll do this on the other side. So switching the crossing of the shin, left foot comes in front. Your feet can come close and towards your groin. From here, we're going to sprinkle the right fingertips beside us and then dropping the right ear to the right shoulder. So you're pushing your right fingertips, you're tenting your fingertips and pushing them away. Also dropping that left shoulder away from the ear. Open and close the jaw. Gently bring the gaze all the way back up. Inhale, both arms up. Taking the left hand to the nape of the neck. Grabbing a hold of the left elbow with the right hand. Squeeze it into the midline. Gently lean back and then lean over towards the right. Gently release the right hand to the floor and reach the left fingertips over towards the right. And again, I'm pushing my right palm away from me to increase that side body stretch. Gazing just beyond your right kneecap, you're going to tap your left fingertips to the floor and back up. About 3 more times. And on this last one, we'll hold it here for a few breaths. Gently from here, rise, grabbing hold of the right knee with the left hand and sprinkling the right fingertips behind you. Inhale to lengthen and exhale. Look over your right shoulder. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder. And then looking over the left shoulder. Maybe gently lean the neck back. Coming all the way back upright. From here, bringing my left hand on top of the right. Draw the elbows away from the chest and up. Inhale. Gentle lean back. And exhale. Fold over the right knee. Swing to the left. Inhale, rise, slight back bend. Exhale, fold over the left knee. Swing to the right. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold. Swing to the right. Swing to the left. Inhale. And exhale, fold. And we'll just sway in the center here for a few breaths. Release the crossing of the arms and extend the arms forward. Gently come all the way back up. Bring the soles of the feet to touch. Grabbing your ankles with your fingers or with your hands. Inhale to puff up through the chest. And exhale. Use your elbows to push down on your thighs as you lead with the chest. So nice and active. Arms are nice and strong here. Draw the shoulders away from the ears. We'll hold it here for a few breaths. Gently release. Reach your fingertips out in front of you. Walk all 10 fingertips over towards the left. So feeling that nice stretch in the lower right side. From here, lean your weight into your left hip. Remove your right foot and bring your right knee to the sole of your left foot. So we're in a deer position and you're folding over your left knee. Walk your forearms through the center as you straighten that right leg. Gently rise all the way back up. Bring your feet back to that diamond position and walking your fingertips in front of you and over to the right. Holding it here. Leaning your weight into your right hip. Remove the sole of the foot and bring the knee and glue it to the sole of the right foot, folding over the right knee. Walking your forearms through the center and opening up your left leg, folding over that right shin. Let's gently rise. Swing your legs down the length of the mat and come to lay on your back. With your feet as wide as your mat, allow your knees to drop open to the right. And as you do so, push your left hip forward. Come back through center. Drop your knees to the left and push your right hip forward. Come back through center. Finding your resting pose. I'm going to bring the soles of my feet to touch today. And in whichever position you've decided to come in, if you'd like another stretch for the upper body, for the shoulders and the arms, you're going to take your palms to face up, so your palms are facing one another. Then turn your palms to face away. Bring your arms down to your sides and around, so your palms are hovering off the floor. Arch your low back and bring your hands underneath your low back. Your hands underneath you, you can remove them out to your side. Beginning to deepen the breath. Wiggling the fingers, toes, rotating the ankles, the wrists. Let's reach the arms up overhead for a nice long body stretch. Reach, 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 reach. And on the exhale, just let your bones drop heavy. Bend the knees one by one. Rolling over onto your side. You can cradle the head in the upper arm. And gently push yourself up to a seat. With your eyes closed. Let's find a nice tall spine. Draw the ears in line with the shoulders. So I'd like to leave you with a blessing. And of course, if this is not your thing, I hope you enjoyed the practice. The blessing reads, may you rest deeply in God's unconditional love this week, allowing his perfect love to cast out every fear and overflow through you to others. And with that, let's take a nice big inhale. And sigh it out. Gently opening the eyes. I hope you enjoyed the practice today. And maybe you'd like to share how you are going to show unconditional love this week. And maybe thinking about how you show love to people who you think might not deserve it. Because it can be hard sometimes. Either way, I hope you enjoyed the practice. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you got on. And I'll see you back here again shortly for another one.